During the COVID-19 pandemic, many ordinary people in China have done their part to help others through difficult times. Wang Kai is the manager of an agriculture company in Gaoqing County, East China's Shandong. He has been working overtime to guarantee the vegetable supply for locals.
订单的突然增加，我们这边的压力也比较大，像采摘人员、配送人员都出现不足的情况。面对这种情况呢，我们也是加班加点，晚上忙到11、12点。我们也提前储备了部分蔬菜，能够确保高清县城蔬菜的正常供应，确保疫情期间配送安全稳定。我就是一个做农业的，尤其是在现在这个特殊时期，首先是做好分内事，能帮忙就帮忙，这是每一个人都应该做的。
Liu Bao has been working in the food delivery industry in Beijing for about 1.5 years.
我每天的话就是，工作大概10个小时左右，一天的话能跑到40到50单左右。
Liu said they have made efforts to offer safe and timely service for Beijing residents during the epidemic.
我们自身方面就是已经做得非常好了，就是每天进行销商。也不会去刻意的，就是说跟顾客接触，因为咱们这边做服务行业嘛，就是说也是准时送达给客户吃上一口热的饭，就像冬天的时候。